In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change chart background colors in MetaTrader. Customizing your chart's appearance can make a big difference in your trading experience, allowing you to create a visual environment that works best for you. So, let's dive into this step-by-step guide and transform your trading charts. First things first, you need to open MetaTrader. Ensure your platform is up and running, and once it is, head over to the chart you want to modify. It's essential for you to have the right chart in front of you before we begin making any changes. Now that you have the chart open, the next step is quite simple. Right-click anywhere on the chart itself. This action will bring up a context menu, offering you various options for customization and modification. From the context menu, look for the option that says Properties. Left-click on Properties to open a new window that holds all the customization settings for your chart. This window is your gateway to personalizing the visual elements of your trading environment. Once the Properties window is open, navigate to the Colors tab. This tab is the heart of your chart's aesthetics, where all the color settings are managed. Here, you'll find an array of color options that allows you to tweak and personalize different aspects of your chart. In the middle of the Colors tab, you'll see a section labeled Color Scheme. Under this section, you'll find a list of various elements related to your chart. Each of these elements can have its color customized according to your preference. This flexibility lets you match your chart colors to your branding or simply to your taste. To change the chart's background color, click on the Background option. Doing so will open a color picker, giving you a wide range of colors to choose from. Select the color that you feel will provide the best contrast and visibility for your trading elements. Having a pleasant background color can save you from eye strain during those long trading hours. But don't stop just with the background color. If you wish, you can customize other elements such as the grid, bar up, bar down, bull candle, and bear candle. Adjusting these colors can further enhance your chart's clarity and overall appearance. Once you are satisfied with your choices and selections, don't forget to click the OK button to apply all the changes you've made. This action will save your new settings and update your chart's appearance instantly. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the chart background color, as well as learned how to modify other elements in MetaTrader. Feel free to experiment with different colors until you find the perfect palette that works best for you. Remember, your chart is your workspace, and making it visually comfortable can significantly enhance your trading proficiency. Thank you for watching, and happy trading!